So we would like to continue with creating some new paragraphs in LaTeX. Although a new paragraph can be started manually by creating a new line as discussed in our previous tutorial, one thing that you have to note is that LaTeX suggests to use 8 predefined macros for creating uniform paragraphs. Let's look at how this macros commands works. So we have the par indent, no indent, par skip. These are some of the commands that we can basically use to create paragraphs in LaTeX, right? So let's jump into LaTeX. So assuming this subsection, I want to have a paragraph. So let me use par. Right, that's a command. Right, for creating a paragraph. So in this subsection, I'm expecting to have a paragraph. Let's see how this works. So subsection, right, so we have the paragraph being created, but this is too small, so we can actually adjust the command. We can add par indent, let's say 8 millimeters. Let's see how this works. Alright, so you see now this is quite more, the indentation is more as compared to the previous one, right? So you can also decide to use, let's look at the other command, par no indent, par skip. Let's look at how this one works. So if I don't want any indentation, basically I can use the no indent, right? No indent will basically close this indentation, right? So we see no indent basically close it, so we don't see the indentation anymore. So let's see the new command. We have paragraph, no indent, then we have par skip, right? Let's say 2 millimeters. Let's see how this works. So let's see. So we don't see any much effects. Let's try and close this line. Okay. Okay, so this basically doesn't give any indentation, but just gives some paragraph spacing, right? So let's see the next command. We can also use paragraph to create some paragraph, right, or sub paragraph, right? So assuming this, I want to have a paragraph. Let me close this. So I can have paragraph, right? So I want to put everything in paragraph. Instead of the par skip, I can use this command to also get the same result. So see, this is how it's going to look like. Right. So that's how the paragraph. You can also try the sub paragraph to know how it works. And one thing that you have to notice is that the par indents and the par script commands, right, are generally used in the preamble to make the iframes globally in all the paragraphs of a document. So if you want the whole document to be affected by this paragraph commands, then you have to go to the preamble and just use it. Try to use the command par indent, sorry, par skip command, right? Then we also have indent, or yep. So par indent, yes. So you can actually specify this command so that it can have effect on the whole document if that's what you are looking for. All right. So it should be good to go.